thinks that, holy shit, we're starving. We got to do something about this. And so if you're losing a precious resource like lean body mass, then at the end of the dieting cycle, the body has this drive to gain back that lean body mass ASAP. So at the end of the dieting cycle, your appetite is higher if you lost a bunch of lean mass than it would have been if you would have preserved the lean body mass and the body didn't necessarily sense this energy crisis that it has to fix because you got to survive. So that is the collateral fattening phenomenon where you're just gaining the body. I got to get this lean mass back. We got to eat.
And is most of that just all going to be down to kind of ghrelin and leptin and those kind of transmitters playing there?
Yeah.
So what about then the idea that people have a set point where they just like, no matter what I do, I just keep ending up back at, is that cyclical cycle kind of governed by that? Or, you know, is there some kind of inner mechanism where your body finds like homeostasis at a certain weight and actually physically tries to keep you there, if that makes sense?
Yeah. This is a really good question because, okay, so that set point is theoretically a body weight in adulthood that your body is pre-wired genetically to gravitate to. Like no matter what, the set point theory is that you are doomed to this specific body weight that your body likes and gravitates to. Okay, so while that hypothesis does check out with sort of the general sedentary population, it sort of falls apart when you impose lifestyle and habit changes on people. And that's led to this concept called the settling point. So instead of set point, it's settling point. And so settling point theory says, while every individual has a different genetic ceiling for how fat they can get and for how lean they can get, that where they settle in between that ceiling and that basement is largely determined by lifestyle and habits and not genetics. It's how you interact with your environment and how you deal with your biology. So everybody has a different tendency for being hangry or hungry or full. I mean, people have different satiety and hunger hormone outputs. And so that is going to influence people regardless.